my yogis. Welcome to back to the challenge. All right, today we are working on our halfway lift. You'll find this very commonly throughout your yoga class practice. We find it in our vinyasas, in our warm-ups. It's simply a transition from a forward fold onward towards our plank or throughout our practice. So typically, we'll come to it from our forward fold where you're reaching to the earth. Level one, you might have a little bend in the knees. Hands might come to the shins. We're going to look for a long, tall, flat back here. So you're going to think halfway lift with a long, tall spine. That way, people can maybe set a drink on you, like a little tabletop. You wouldn't want to fall down. As you progress and your hamstrings become more open, you can start to straighten those legs even more. Maybe you start to walk those fingertips down towards the ankles. One day, tippy tops on your mat. Know where you're at. You're drawing the heart forward, the shoulders back. You're finding that long, tall, flat back. Taking a full breath and exhale, we'll forward fold, so just let it all go, hang heavy. Let's do it two more times. Inhale, halfway lift, fingertips on your shins or earth. Exhale, let it go. One more, inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. So today's pose, can't wait to see yours, halfway lift. We're here at Gold Point again, a small locally owned bar here in Rhino area off Larimar. Come visit, say hi. See you soon.